Pleasant day to everyone. I am Vimala Srinivasan, studying in KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science at BCom Corporate Secretaryship, batch of 2019 to 2022. Now we are going to see about the correlation. Correlation is a part of statistics subject. Meaning of correlation. Correlation is a statistic measure that expresses the extent to which two variables are linearly related. It's a common tool for describing simple relationship without making a statement about cause and effects. Now we are going to see about the types of correlation. They are positive correlation, negative correlation, simple correlation, multiple correlation, linear correlation, non-linear correlation, no correlation. Explanation of types of correlation. Positive correlation. Both variables moves in same direction. Example, x increases, y also increases. If y decreases, x also decreases. Here we have a tabular column of positive correlation. Now we are going to see about the negative correlation. Both the variables are in the opposite direction. For example, price and demand. Here we have a tabular column of negative correlation. Now we are going to see about the simple correlation. Finding a relationship between two variables. When only two variables are involved, it is known as simple correlation. Example, x and y. Now we are going to see about the linear correlation. The amount of changing one variable there is same as in another variable is called as linear correlation. Here we have a tabular column of linear correlation. Now we are going to see about the multiple correlation. More than two variables is called multiple correlation. For example, income, savings and investment. Now we are going to see about the non-linear correlation. It means the change of correlation in one variable does not same as another variable is to be non-linear correlation. Here we have a tabular column of non-linear correlation. Now we are going to see about the no correlation. If a change in the value of one variable does not connect with the change in the value of another variable. For example, weight of a person and color of a air. Now we are going to see about the matrix method. In this method, there are T type. Cartesian method, specific method and concurrent deviation method. Cartesian method. In this method, there are two types, direct method and shortcut method. Direct method. This method is used when the variables are small in magnitude. It has two types. Type 1, R is equal to n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y divided by root of n sigma x square minus sigma x the whole square into n sigma y square minus sigma y the whole square. Now we are going to see about the type 2. Type 2 is nothing about the actual mean formula. We probably use this formula in our sums. Now we are going to see about the formula. R is equal to sigma dxy divided by root of sigma dx square into sigma dy square. Now we are going to see about the shortcut method. Shortcut method formula is nothing about the assumed mean formula. This formula also we used in the sums. Assumed mean formula. R is equal to sigma dx dy minus sigma dx into sigma dy divided by n, divided by root of sigma dx square minus sigma dx the whole square divided by n into root of sigma dy square minus sigma dy the whole square divided by n. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon for know the new updates.